of exceptions though. We will see some showers pushing in across southeast England in the next few hours, and by the end of the night rain starts to knock on the doors of western parts, so signalling a bit of a sign of a change as we head into Sunday. So through this evening then, these showers pushing into Kent, parts of Essex and into East Anglia through the first part of the night. The odd heavy one in places. For the vast majority though, it is going to be dry, some clear spells and once again some mist and fog developing across central and southern areas. Out to the southwest then, some rain pushes its way in by the end of the night, accompanied by a strong wind, so a different feel to the weather here as you wake up on Sunday morning. Fairly mild though to start the day, temperatures around 5 to 9 Celsius, but it's going to be the southwest that sees the worst of the weather. Cloudy, gloomy and quite windy as well. Some hill fog in places, that rain only very slowly pushing its way north and eastwards. So a brighter start across eastern areas. Eventually though it will start to cloud up and we'll see some rain here. But the best of the sunshine through Sunday reserved for the northwest of Scotland, where we'll see some of the highest temperatures, highs of 15, maybe 16 degrees. But notice much colder across the northeast of Scotland, staying in single figures here. And a cooler day further south, temperatures 11 to 13 degrees, a little bit cooler than today because of the cloud, the wind and outbreaks of rain. Now as we head into Sunday evening, we'll start to see that rain pushing a bit further northwards. So for many areas, there will be some wet weather for a time. It then turns drier across southern areas. We'll see some clearer skies developing, more of a breeze overnight as well, so less of an issue with fog and mist than what we've seen over recent nights. Temperatures once again not dropping away too low, so a relatively mild start to the new working week. And a fine start to the day across the south. Plenty of sunshine on the cards here, always a little bit more cloud further north, but by and large, many areas will have a fairly dry day once we've lost any early morning showers. And again, in the sunshine, temperatures approaching the mid-teens, not too bad, but it is going to start to turn warmer as we head into the middle part of the week. We've got high pressure building from the southeast, so we do see some wet weather across the northwest first of all on Tuesday, but as the high builds, it drags in some warm air from the south. So by Wednesday afternoon,
21.
temperatures in the south getting into the low 20s
17.
and into the north, well, high teens here as well, so not doing too bad at all. So if you want more sunshine, next week is what the weather has in store for you. You can always get up to date with the latest information where you live online. Bye for now. Hello again. After recent grey and gloomy days, there is some sunshine in the forecast through this afternoon, and where we've got the sunshine, it will start to feel a little bit warmer. Not for everyone though, we are going to remain quite dull and cloudy in the far northeast of Scotland, plagued by some outbreaks of rain across the Northern Isles and fairly cloudy skies. But after what has been a grey morning elsewhere, skies are now brightening up. We'll see that sunshine poking through. A little bit windy in the west, so temperatures here perhaps around 12 or 13 degrees, but in the sunshine and light winds further east, getting into the mid to high teens. So a pleasant enough afternoon if you're heading out. And it stays dry through the first part of this evening for the vast majority, the exception being the far southeast of England. We could see some heavy showers pushing their way in here. Most areas remaining dry though, with clear skies. We'll see some mist and fog developing overnight, and then later in the night we'll see this band of rain pushing into the west, the winds increasing as well, but it will be mild for most of us, temperatures around 7 to 9 degrees. So a mild start to Sunday morning, but a damp and cloudy start in the southwest, and that rain is going to gradually push its way northeastwards. So grey and gloomy across many southern areas during the day, a bit of a contrast to what we're going to see today. The best of the sunshine through Sunday afternoon reserved for the north and northwest of Scotland, where temperatures will do pretty well. Highs of 15, maybe 16 degrees. Elsewhere, just a few degrees down, and still pretty cold across that far northeast of Scotland. Highs of just 8 degrees there in Aberdeen. So the end of Sunday will be quite grey, quite cloudy for many of us. Further outbreaks of rain, but that rain gradually pushes its way a bit further northwards, so we will see some clearer skies following on to the south. Still quite a breezy night, so temperatures holding up around 6 to 9 degrees Celsius. And as we go into next week, we are going to see a slight change in the weather. So we've got low pressure out to the northwest on Monday. That's going to bring some weather fronts across the northwest of Scotland, but high pressure starts to build, and this will gradually expand across the UK into midweek, dragging in some warmer air. So by Wednesday afternoon, many areas across southern England and Wales will be into the 20s. Further north, well, warmer here than what it has been as well, particularly noticeable down that east coast where it has been cloudy and grey.
Not far off.
So, good news, the weather is improving as we head into next week. For more information on the weather where you live,
I'll try and get
go online. Bye-bye.
Scotland's going to need another 4 more degrees Celsius. That's not too bad. I don't feel agree though.
Hello again. Finally, some spring warmth to enjoy up and down the country this weekend. There'll be some sunshine on Saturday, thicker cloud on Sunday with outbreaks of rain and a freshening breeze, but it's not going to be a chilly weekend. One exception, the Northern Isles, where we are going to keep a chilly North Sea wind, but elsewhere across Scotland, after a misty start, the skies will brighten through the morning, and for Northern Ireland, as well as much of England and Wales, already some sunny spells as we begin the day. Large areas of low cloud drifting around here and there. Generally, though, that low cloud will lift and it will break, and more evenly across much of the country we're going to see sunny spells developing. We lose the mistiness from these North Sea coasts. Apart from the far northeast of Scotland as well as the Northern Isles, where we do keep some grey skies and some coastal fog, most places are going to be a good deal brighter than they've been throughout the working week. And with that increased brightness, and now that we've lost that North Sea wind across mainland Scotland and northeast England, well, temperatures will respond well. 13 to 17 degrees for most places. The warmth could set off a few showers or thunderstorms for central and southern parts of England, 1 or 2 showers perhaps elsewhere, but for most, Saturday evening's a fine end to the day. Sunshine becoming more widespread. By Sunday morning, however, thicker cloud pushes into the south and a freshening breeze. Most places frost-free, not a chilly start, but it will be a bright start for Scotland and northeast England. Some sunshine here before this weather front sweeps in. And this, by the start of Sunday, will already be bringing outbreaks of rain and a freshening breeze to Northern Ireland, much of Wales and the southwest. A wet start and a breezy start here. The rain then pushes through into central parts of England as well as the northwest, southern Scotland and western Scotland by Sunday afternoon. It clears to sunny spells and showers for Northern Ireland, Wales and the southwest. A blustery breeze means that although temperatures still milder than they've been for some time, perhaps won't feel quite so warm. The northeast of Scotland as well as the far east of England cling on to some sunshine through into Sunday afternoon, but with a bit more of a breeze this time from the North Sea, it's going to feel colder once again, say, coast of Aberdeenshire, Caithness and the Northern Isles. There is plenty more to be found on the Met Office website through our app and by our social media channels. Have a good